We heartily welcome everyone for joining us today for the orientation session.
We at Stepping Stones Play School wish that you and your family are safe during this pandemic. The COVID 19 has resulted in schools shut all across the world. As a result, education has changed dramatically with the distinctive rise of e learning, whereby teaching is undertaken remotely and on digital platforms. Now, we have the unique opportunity to turn this new normal into a better normal. We will always try and give them the best virtual teaching we can. Parents and teachers play an important and active role in child's education. Together, we can help them reach their fullest potential. For the same, we will need your wholehearted cooperation.
About the school. Ours is a new age co-educational school with modern academic and co-curricular facilities. Life at SSPS is vibrant, exhilarating, and dedicated to the joy of learning. We are aware that learning is most rewarding in a community that is lively, cooperative, critical, and fundamentally curious. SSPS encompasses in itself the entire gamut of skills and knowledge required in formulating the guiding principles which helps the students to grow into such individuals who are not only capable of competing with the best but also embodying the values which draw on our best cultural heritage. This dynamic combination empowers them to be the ethical, dedicated, and passionate leaders of tomorrow. Infrastructure. We provide a physical environment that is comfortable, safe, secured, accessible, well ventilated, and aesthetically pleasing, creating the perfect educational space at Harney Unit. We harness the latest construction technologies and methods. Library, classrooms, auditorium, audiovisual room, play area, etc. Management personnel. Shri Jiral Nimesh Shah, founder and director of Stepping Stones Play School. Mrs. Isha Jiral Shah, assistant director of Stepping Stones Play School. Ms. Mahashweta Chauhan, supervisor of Stepping Stones Play School. Pride of the institution. Our esteemed educational organization, Stepping Stones Play School, Harney, has been crowned as Best Preschool of the Year 2019. Director of Stepping Stones Play School, Shri Jiral Nimesh Shah, has been awarded with this award at ISA India 2019 Summit at Chitkara University in Rajpura, Punjab on 25th May 2019. Kindergarten Philosophy. The kindergarten program focuses on language development, basic math skills development, incorporating active learning, providing opportunities for exploring, encouraging a positive self concept, promoting creative expression, fostering positive interaction with others, and developing quality work habits and school routine. Education. We believe that knowledge exists in every human being, and it is through education realization of knowledge takes place. Hence, in SSPS, we believe in brightening lives. The main aim of this method is educating the children to enhance their motor skills, power of imagination, and creativity. In online classes, children will experience different teaching aids like flashcards, puzzles, models, puppets, CD, pictorial storybooks, etc., where teachers will work to accomplish vision and mission. Hence, making our motto very clear, preparing for life. Curriculum. Curriculum is divided in two terms: First term June to October, second term November to April. Evaluation method. The total number of working days of the academic year has been grouped into two sets. During the course, the progress of the child's routine activities are observed and evaluated. The progress report will be issued showing the performance of the student at the end of each set of working days. The student will be promoted to the next grade or class on basis of the attendance and the cumulative performance throughout the academic year. Student's Almanac. The Student's Almanac is an important document that records all the essential information. It has to be maintained with utmost respect and sincerity by students, parents, and teachers. It is very necessary that the parents read the yearbook and understands the establishing an invaluable link between teachers, students, and parents. Acknowledge all communications, circulars, etc. and respond promptly. You can reach Director and Assistant Director with prior appointment and Supervisor between 9 a.m. to 11:30 a.m. During this tough time, avoid visiting school, however urgency is not bound to timings. Please do not contact any teacher after school hours. You may contact teachers before 12 noon on all working days. It saddens us to announce the untimely death of our beloved teammate, Kartika Stanley Christian. May God give her eternal rest and the family the strength to bear the great pain. She had been a valued member of our team and will be missed.
Teaching Fraternity Playgroup. Miss Sheetal, Miss Chinmaya, Miss Archana. Teaching Fraternity Junior KG. Miss Peenal Darji, Miss Peenal Patel, Miss Himanshi, Miss Krishnal, Miss Vilyeta, and Miss Unnati. Teaching Fraternity Senior KG. Miss Gurpreet, Miss Vinita, Miss Jayashri, Miss Mandip, Miss Richa, Miss Beena, Miss Kinjal, and Miss Ketan. We are each unique and beautiful, but together we are a masterpiece. Thank you, dear parents and our lovely students. Hope you have all enjoyed our orientation video. Looking forward for your positive response.